This part work has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up part works that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. Thank you once more to Fanhome for providing me with this kit. I hope you enjoy the build.
Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 49 of Building Robocop. This is the second leg attachment issue, where we get to attach the second leg, as you can gather from the name that I just gave the video. Looking in the magazine first, of course, directing Robocop 3. Don't remember Robocop 3. I've rewatched 1 fairly recently. I keep meaning to go and watch 2, but haven't got round to it yet. Here we go. 3. Blue's the one where he was all blue. 2 is the one where he was all blue. 3. I don't know. I shall watch it at some point. So yes, this is part 4 of the pelvis, attaching the bracket to the pelvis piece and then attaching the other leg to that piece. It's basically a duplicate of what we did a couple of issues back, but with the other leg, making sure that goes on there as it should. And then we've got Sophia, humanoid type robot. I don't think it's AI powered, but it's just robotic. Yeah, then we got immersive virtual environments. Yeah, Ready Player One type stuff. I've just upgraded to the Quest 3, so I'm all about mixed realities and stuff at the moment, and yeah, it's all interesting stuff. Good. I'm not sure about Horizon Worlds, but there we go. Virtual reality, opportunity for health. Oh, right, yeah. Visualizing things that you can't see, all good things. Right, let's clear this out of the way. Let's get this build done. So here we have the parts, pretty much duplicates of what we've already dealt with. CM for attaching this to the leg. We've got the bits that we had from before last time. We've got UM. I need 2 of those. 2 of those. There we go. So we need the bits from here. Extra bits this time because we had them from earlier before last time. But there we got now. We've got the nut. We've got our spring. The nut enclosed in it, apparently. Doesn't want to be. Oh, don't need to pick up that. Get that nut out of that spring. There we go. Right, so just like before, we need our pelvis assembly. We've got to put the screw through the back there. Then we've got the spring and that piece that go onto that. But first, let's get the nut captured in this. With that bit and the 2 screws that hold that in place. That's those 2 screws I just sorted out. Right, I'll get that in there and get this lubricated, just like I did last time, and then we'll see about attaching it together. Right, I've got that in there, the spring's on there. I've added some lubrication to both that and this to make sure we've got some free movement there. So that goes on there, that will then go on there. And that needs to screw into the back of that. I can't see it. Come on. You can't escape. Apologies, that's off camera, I'm sure. So that's that. I'll get that lined up in about the right position as it was last time. That I need to reattach on there. I did that already once, but then I've been playing around with it. This is the bit that is just a pin that holds that in place for me now rather than anything else. So once I'm done messing around for this for the month, I shall add some extra glue to that and make sure that's nice and secure. Well, as secure as it gets. So there we go, that's that bit on there. Then we need to bring in the other leg, which I have already prepared over here. This goes onto there just the same as the other one did, like that, with the 2 cm screws to hold that together. Get those out. Again, we're resting it on the back bit, which is where that sits anyway, so it's always a little bit tricky. You're always going to have potential for damages. Luckily, that bit's fairly easy to fix again. So that goes on there. I'm getting caught up with me magnets. Right, so that on there. Like that. Now I need to over. Get the angle the same as I have on that. About there. Nope, I don't think it is. Oh, it might be. Might not be. No, that isn't. Trouble with ball joints is they can go anywhere you like. Right, I'm going to get this done behind the scenes because I can't see it and manipulate it out there. So let's get that connected up and then see how it looks with the 2 legs joined up. Right, there we have it. All connected up. The hips don't lie. That's all done, nice and attached. And it stands up properly as well. The ankles are still a little bit loose, but that's why we got the big rod to join everything together. So I like that. I like that a lot. It's starting to look a bit like Robocop, at least from the waist down. I'm pretty sure next time we are doing some more with the hip and sort of putting the cover on the front of it. So that'll be good to get that done. But I'm happy that it stands up. I didn't think it was going to be honest, the way the ankles were, but that's all good. So another issue done and dusted. I shall see you for more very soon. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. Bye bye for now.